Hello guys, so today in this video we are going to see complete live review about this awesome product called Bang Profits AI Edition, which is a revolutionary 60-second one-click traffic app with Chat-GPT integration that helps to make $247 in daily earnings and acquire new leads every day. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, it various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 4+ action taken bonuses totally free worth rupees $699 for you. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.
Hi and welcome to Bang Profits AI Edition demo. In this video, I'm going to show you what our new features are on our Bang Profits software, our spy tool and our ad creation tool with a click of a button. Now, this is a software that's been around since 2017 and we've been updating it every year with new training. There's new training inside based on Chat-GPT training and plus in correspondence with our software to help you create campaigns on Bing ads on Google in order to generate commissions using our software and the training and promoting ClickBank offers as an affiliate, as a CPA affiliate marketer, and all that will be covered inside the training. Now, I wanted to show you our new features. Now, inside our software, cloud-based software, in our previous versions, the AI Suggest tool was not included. So in this year's, we have included the AI Suggest tool, and this is how it works. So by searching and spying on a diabetes offer, for example, we're going to be choosing the keyword blood sugar. I'm going to choose Bing ads as the network and choose the country of United States. I'm going to go ahead and explore, and once I click on explore, it pulls out all the ads that have to do with a specific keyword that are running right now. We'll be able to uncover the landing pages, the ad copies, and we'll be able to push these inside our ads account. So the way that this works is that once we choose the ad copies that we wanted, then we can go ahead and create a Bing ads inside our existing ads account in Microsoft Ads, where we're going to be able to push these to the specific ad and then just create, and we'll push it over. So by using this method, we're uncovering new ads that your competition is running right now. What we want to do now is expand on it, clicking on the AI suggestion tool. So we're going to choose one of these ads and we're going to click AI Suggest. So this is where the magic happens. You get more unique ads on Bing now, where you're not going to be copying and pasting what others have been doing, but instead you have something brand new that the AI suggestion tool has created for you. So you can take these ads, which are entirely unique, to help you get ahead of your competition, to get high click-through rates and conversions based on unique ad copies that our software and the AI integration is helping you create. So this is the magic with the AI edition on Bang Profits. Now the second step is, once we've created the ads and we've pushed them over into our accounts automatically, again, you don't need to recreate in Microsoft Ads. You can come and spy on what kind of keywords were used for those specific ads that you got. The great thing about it is, once you've chosen the keywords that you want, you can take them and push them over into your ads account, and you can also choose an exact or a phrase match in order to push them over. So once you've done that, it'll be pushed into your existing Microsoft Ads account that are running, so you can get keywords that will convert for you for better click-through rates, etc. But we can take it a little bit further. We're going to choose a keyword, and then from this specific keyword, I'm going to go ahead and use the AI Suggest tool to give me even more keywords that I didn't think about, long tail keywords that I can push over into my account. So right now it's getting all the information. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to go to the last section, and all these are keywords that the AI suggested that I should be using. Okay, these are keywords that I didn't think about, and these are keywords I can go ahead and use as exact or phrase or whatever it is that you want, and you just push it over into your account the way that I just showed you right now. Okay, so I've probably already pushed them over, but some of them have been pushed over already, and inside my Microsoft Ads account, this is running. So this is what the new features are on our existing Bang Profits software. We have more stuff. We have tracking and split testing included inside the software. These are upsells that you have the option to choose from. We have split testing tool to split your campaigns so it automatically pauses and continues the ones that are converting for you. We have an option here to come and find more affiliate offers from other marketplaces. That's why I said, you know, if you can't get into ClickBank, you can't get into Max Bounty, there are all these other places that you can actually go out just by putting your specific keyword. It can go out and find you all these other offers that have to do with the glucose stuff that you can go actually and sign up and get information about the offer. Okay, so it's pretty cool. We've got this built in. We've got a keyword merger. You can play around with the keywords and add more keywords, etc., to your to help you, and you can push them over into your campaigns, and you can put manually new keywords that you can get through the training that I'm going to be showing you inside the area. And then we've also got the members training area where it's filled up with step-by-step training to help you in your journey with our software and being an affiliate marketer for ClickBank, for Max Bounty, and for other networks in order for you to get started with affiliate marketing. And included are new training courses that have to do with Chat-GPT and how we're going to be building campaigns using the help of Chat-GPT and my software put together. I hope you enjoyed this video demo of Bang Profits AI Edition, and I'll see you inside.